Prominent name in public health is condemning a change in guidance at the CDC. Last week, the CDC scrapped its long-standing position that vaccines do not cause autism, even though decades of scientific research all say vaccines are safe. And a former U.S. Surgeon General says he's worried about the effects on Arizona's health. Dr. Richard Carmona was the nation's top doctor during the George W. Bush administration. Right now, he's a special advisor to the state health department. Carmona says the CDC's changes could cause vaccination rates to drop even further, maybe below the levels we need for herd immunity. Here's 12 News journalist Joe Dana.
Confusion that is being thrust on the American public because of mis and disinformation, to me, is criminal.
Dr. Richard Carmona says he's seen this movie before. After he was appointed Surgeon General in 2002, vaccine skepticism surged. Public figures like actress Jenny McCarthy questioned if vaccines caused autism of their children. Carmona even personally met with McCarthy at the time.
It broke my heart that, a baby with autism, and I met with others. These are very difficult issues.
Carmona led a global study of data to see if there was evidence linking vaccines to autism.
What we did find was a scientist in England, I believe, who had written a paper, and that paper turned out to be false. A lot of misinformed people were going by that bad information.
Subsequent research over 2 decades reinforces the consensus, but today families trust the science less. As 12 News recently reported, in every Arizona county except one, immunization rates are dropping. This year, northern Arizona had the second worst measles outbreak in the U.S. in over 30 years.
It's very frustrating. We're trying to educate the public to the fact that the science still tells us all children and adults should get vaccines at the appropriate times.
Carmona recently joined 5 other surgeons general, calling Kennedy's policies an immediate and unprecedented threat to the nation's health. A spokesperson for Kennedy said he's the first secretary to confront the nation's health decline head-on and is restoring trust in healthcare systems. What would you say to some Arizonans who are rooting on RFK Jr., saying he's pushing back against certain systems led more by financial gain than what's best for the public?
Some of the things he says I agree with. We should be trying to eliminate chemicals from our foods. We should be trying to eat better, what we call farm-to-table, unadulterated foods. But the other issues that are coming from that office are truly problematic.
That was Joe Dana reporting. Still